Hello everyone, my name is Nidhi Khanija. Today I'm going to cook with you paratha, which is a very healthy and simple recipes for busy mom out there. Today I will be assisted by 3 little assistants. One of them is Harini.
Hi. Hi.
We have Aliana.
Hi.
And we also have Felicia.
Hi.
Taking care of the protocols, social distancing, my assistants will be helping me one by one. Felicia, can you come this side? Alright, so let's begin. As you can see, this is the dough that I have made with the wheat flour. This dough is used for making parathas, and almost all the households in India use this very often. This dough is like a soft play-doh, you can say, and it has been only mixed with water. So the flour and the water makes this dough. So here we are going to roll it. Yes, roll, roll, roll. We are going to put it inside the dry flour so that it is easy for me to roll it with the rolling pin. Okay, easy peasy. Yes, what do you think, Felicia? Is it easy?
Yes, it is
Very easy. So this is, yes, Japanese. All right, so I apply some of the ghee. This is ghee. All right, can you pick a pinch of salt and sprinkle it over here? Yes. All right, that's a little too less, so I will add some more. There you go. And these are some carom seeds that I'm going to put it here. All right, we will roll it again and make it flat another time. This ghee will make layers. Our paratha is going to have several layers, okay? We will see how many layers do we have. So it's nice and thin now. All the corners are flattened. Thank you, Felicia. Now I will have you switch with Aliana. Aliana, can you come and help, please? Over here. Okay, so what am I going to do now? With this knife, I am going to cut this. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll cut more. Can you count how many?
Wow.
Yes, so these many layers of parathas we'll have. I'm going to just put them on top of each other and I will roll it once again. I'm not going to press it hard right now because I'll be rolling it. Simple?
Looks simple enough?
Yes? And I'm sure you must have played with Play-Doh in your childhood,
I have.
right? And you must have used the rolling pin as well.
Yes.
Alright, so this becomes the layers for the paratha that we are making. I'll put it again in the soft dough and I will roll it once again. So roll, roll, roll. Do you want to try rolling it? Go, yeah? Very good. Maybe I can do the rest, yes? Because it's important to roll the paratha on the sides, otherwise it will be very thick and you won't like it, right? So paratha is generally a little bit thicker than rest of the. I will light this now. All right, so I will switch on this gas, and thank you, Aliana, for your help. I will now call on Harini.
You are very welcome.
Hi, Harini, come in. Okay, we are at the Harini, can you come this side? This is really hot. This is where we will make our paratha, and we have to make sure that it is really hot, otherwise the paratha will get dry. All right, so I am ready to put my paratha on the plate. This goes here. We wait for the first side to get a little bit ready.
I have a question.
Sure.
What happens if you like keep it a little bit,
Slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, the paratha will be dry.
And how will it taste?
It will not taste as moist and as crispy as it should be. So if you can see, it's ready from the, it's not ready, it's half done. I'm going to flip it. Now I will wait for the other side to be completely done. And then I will apply ghee. Yeah? Okay, we are getting there. So this is the most simplest thing that one can make. Have you eaten paratha at home?
Yes, I have a paneer.
Paneer paratha, okay. This is a normal paratha with salt and cardamom, right? Okay. So I'm going to take some ghee and I'm going to put it over the paratha. We have to be very careful because it's very hot. Don't try to make it alone. Always have an adult with you when you're making it so that you are totally safe. Okay, can you see it's coming up, it's becoming puffy. And if I'll turn, you will see the crispiness. Aha, there you go. Yes, it's very nice and crispy already. Look at this. Oh, it looks wonderful. Now I will lower the gas and I will take this out on a cloth. Why is that? Remember, we made a lot of layers. So when I do this, all the layers will come out very nicely. Can you see the layers?
Yeah.
Can you see all the layers? Beautiful layers. All right, that's it from us today. I hope you enjoyed watching us as much as we did making it, right?
Yes.
So since we are not allowed to eat in school, you can take some, bring it home and enjoy your meal. Stay safe, be healthy and take care of all the protocols needed. Bye everyone.
Bye.